Hi. Since I have been talking extensively about Google Sites, Google applications, I've been hearing lots of questions about how we could create our own individual sites that would work together and we could share with the site that we already have. So it is simple and it is free, and I am going to show you in the next little bit how to do that. First, you're going to, on your Google Chrome browser, go to sites.google.com, and you are going to end up with a page that looks like this. You are going to hit Create, and we're going to find a template. We're just going to use one simple and straightforward. Just go down, and whatever will work for your individual program, let's use that. There's all kinds of, project tracking that'd be good for our maintenance people. Political, that'd be good for those bills that are going into the state. Again, there's just lots of different templates. So let's say, for instance, we go ahead and use this professional site template. Select it, Gadget from Template. Okay, here is what you're going to come out with pretty much. You can use your own image, whatever works for you. You're going to be able to create this and make it in your own vision, basically. So we've decided we like this, so we're going to use the template. We're going to name our site. For me, I am going to call it Santa Fe Townhomes. Simply put that in there. It's going to choose your URL. Select a theme. Go down through there and find something that looks like it's going to work for you. Click Create. Of course, it's going to have to make sure that you're not a robot. Oops, maybe I am. And you're going to type the code. It's loading. Okay, so it loaded and it created my site. Now you're going to go in here and you are going to edit the page. And it's going to say it's loading editor. Now, here is your simple Google layout, insert, format, table, layout, and help. It is straightforward. It is just like using your Google Drive and creating a presentation or a document. So we are going to insert a image. Uploaded images. We're going to go through and find our Santa Fe Townhomes. We're going to insert that into there. Now we've got this inserted, and say we want to completely eliminate this that they had on the template. All you do is double click it and hit remove. It's that picture from the template is now gone, and we want to go through and make sure that we get our logos correct, as we will hear from Holly. Like logo number 1, we want to insert an image again, And we're going to upload images and scroll down through to our Fair Housing logo. Okay, and now we've got the Fair Housing logo. Obviously, we need to resize, so you click, simply resize it. Okay, so we've got our logos, and we want to change our layout. Let's say we want to have our text on the right sidebar. We hit right sidebar. This is going to pick out anything that you want to do, and it's going to have a place for everything that you would possibly want. You're going to obviously want to replace the photos. The organization name, you're going to want to add that. All of these tools up in here are going to help you through that. They're going to walk you through that. So you're going to hit Save Page. Once you get to that point, you're going to hit Save Page, and your changes have been saved. Okay. Obviously, our text needs changed, and then we would go back and edit. So when you are ready to share it and put it public on the web, all you have to do is hit your share button, just like with any Google application or tool that you may use. Remember, before you do, to make sure that you have all your logos, your fair housing, whatever pertains to your part of the organization, USDA, check with our marketing before you do that, because once you share it, it is out there, and hopefully you will find people reaching into that. So with that being said, how do we monitor that this is working? Google has given us another tool. It's Webmaster Tools, and all of these resources can help you determine how your traffic is coming in to your site. There's data testing, markup helpers, places, merchant centers, you name it, Google's got it. It's free. So long as we don't experience a huge volume of traffic, which would be great, these resources are free. And one of these is Google Analytics. It is a great site. It's a great tool. You put in your information about the site that you're going to want to monitor, the one that you just created. You're going to get a tracking code so that Google can monitor this. And from then on out, you're going to be able to see data happening about your site. You can track your sales, you can track your customers, how they are accessing things through their videos, tablets, smartphones. It's going to give you options to figure out all of these things. It is free for users with less than 5 million page views a month. So chances are that's going to fit us right in. Another really good resource for connecting, collaborating is Google My Business. Again, it's just reached through google.com. You're going to see what all you can do, connect with customers, manage it. So say we want to get on Google. We want to get our business on Google. Of course, Interfaith Housing Services in Dodge. We are at 100 Military Plaza, and there we go. All you have to do is hit the I am authorized to manage this business and agree to the terms of service. Now, side note, I know a lot of us, including myself, were very guilty of not watching terms of services with applications and tools that we use on a daily basis. That being said, we need to really pursue looking at the terms of, this is our business. This is monitored through the USDA. We really need to dot our I's and cross our T's and keep close watch. Even on Google. Google is a wonderful tool, but I cannot say enough that we do really need to start watching those terms of services, because you don't know until you look. Of course, there's all the different ones that you can do for Hangouts and things, which we already use. Okay, another question that I have been asked is, once we are doing this, once we get it out there, how do we make sure that we're reaching our Hispanic community? As we all know, Dodge City has a large Hispanic community, and it's important that everybody knows about our services and programs. So I took you to Google Translate. It's actually translate.google.com. Again, it's a free tool, and we're going to say Santa Fe townhomes are great. Now, English is detected, and we want to translate into Spanish. Simple as that. You can copy and paste. You can add this into your website. If you're creating pamphlets, documents that you need to go in and possibly redo because of needing these extra languages, Arabic, there's all different kinds. Of course, we know that Dodge City, the Santa Fe townhomes are for agriculturally employed tenants, and we have a large Somalian population. The Somalian language, Somali, can absolutely terrify all of us because we've not heard it, we're not used to it. Google Translate can put these fears at rest. You go in and you choose that language, and there you go. It is as simple as that. Okay, so hopefully we have now created our websites, and we're ready to share them. We have figured out ways that we can track these tools. We can track our sites. We can see how we're going to make these things better and more accessible to our current and future applicants, tenants, wherever we need to be. The analytics, that's going to let us know how they're accessing our sites. Are they using their smartphones, their tablets? What can we do to make things more user-friendly? Because we all know that the user-friendly part is an amazing portion of how much traffic you're going to get on your site. And we've hit on Google Translate so that way we can help these people understand what services our different organizations, our different programs are providing to them. We have so many things here at Interfaith Housing: weatherization, rentals, cash assistance. We want to make sure that not just the English-speaking people have access to this. We want to make sure that everybody can get to this. Okay, I'd like to thank you for your time, and know that at any time that you need to talk to me, feel free. Holly is very important in checking out what logos, what things we need to put on the website so that we stay out of trouble. And good luck with your future exploration of making your own sites. You can see now that Google can make things really easy for us, safe, simple, and efficient. Thank you, and have a good day.